Well, that's nice. Got a rock right there. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you guys saw, we had a little bit of a flat tire and the death wobbles are back. So today we're going to try and address that. And I ended up going ahead and I purchased a new track bar from Thurn. This is their heavy duty track bar. And then I also got steering stabilizer. And I just went ahead and bought some new front shocks. I just went ahead and bought the shocks since I got the stabilizer, and about a year ago when we did the reverse level, we put the Bilsteins in the rear. So now we'll have it on all four corners and steering stabilizer. And with the flat tire, I guess I should say a lot of this might be unnecessary, but I just want to try and get it all corrected here. And when I was ordering the new tires, I went to Discount Tire and they had told me the size that I was trying to buy, which was the old current size. It wasn't rated for this truck. It was a 275 60/20, and they said I need at least a 65. Not sure, I didn't look it up. Just said okay, sure, whatever. And we're gonna, hopefully they don't rub. He said I could return them if they do. So I don't know, maybe the old tires were like 2 years old and wearing pretty bad on the edges. I'll see. I think I might be able to show that. I might have a clip. So I don't know, that might be the death wobble in itself. I mean, who knows if those were not the right rated tires that I purchased, and those were originally from Custom Offsets. Not that it's their fault, that was mine. I ordered from them. So hopefully that, just the tires alone helps. But I went ahead and got the track bar anyways, because on the 14 we actually did get that little recall slip for that. So we'll just throw that in. I mean, it won't hurt to have a big old beefy bar. It is preset for a lifted truck. I think it's like a 2-inch or a leveled truck, so we'll have to adjust that. Comes with some good paperwork. It's pretty awesome. Has all the specs you need if you ended up buying everything, which we'll probably use some of this with the shocks and everything. So all the foot-pounds you need. So yeah, it's preset for a 1 to 2 inch lift. So we'll have to adjust that. That's the only thing on that. Other than that, I think we got our work cut out for us today. So, oh, and if you watched the last video, the tractor is gone. We still don't know what is wrong with it. It's currently at the dealer right now. So hopefully by the next video I can give you an update on that, or we will still be moving some dirt. Got a lot of dirt to move. Yeah, let's just get started. All right, guys. So, all right, we got the first shock absorber, and you can see on the bottom it's pretty rusted out here. I don't know if it'll focus. There you go. Not saying that. Oh yeah, the bushing is pretty good. So the fun part, we'll get that back in. I might actually have to take the wheel well out to if we're gonna torque those up proper. As you saw my meme of an extension to get it out of the top. Yeah, I'll just get the new Bilstein and drop it in. Alright guys, kind of having a bad feeling about this. This says it's good for 0 to 2.5 inch lift, and obviously we have 0, but you can kind of already see how compressed this already is in there, and I'll show you over here. This Bilstein is taller than the let's see. I don't know how I can show this here. So here's the stock OEM, and remember this is compressed out. Or not compressed. That's wrong. Word. It's all the way out. It's not compressed. And here's the Bilstein. Like, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna throw them in there since I already have that one in, and see what happens. I don't know. Might be taking these out here in a day or two. So, yeah. Oh well. Live and learn. Alright guys, got both of them installed here on the, let me turn this way. Got both of them installed on the driver and the passenger side. The passenger was a bit of a mother, so I might cut some of that out because I was swearing a bit. But we got it in there. I ended up taking the wheel well out, which the extra time is well worth it. So now I'm going to go back to the driver's side, pop that out, just make sure I got everything, got it tightened down good on the top, because I was kind of fighting brake lines and that up, trying to tighten it from the top. So I'm not gonna sit through that. I'm gonna go and do that real quick, and then we'll hop on to the track bar. So we'll see you in a sec. Alright guys, well, confession time. I'm a complete idiot, and some of you guys probably already figured that out. back when I said I went ahead and got the track bar anyways, because on the 14 we actually did get that little recall slip for that. That being said, the warranty that is on the truck is not for the track bar, it's for the drag link. So not looking into it enough, I just went and bought a track bar, and thinking that was the right thing that I needed. Anyways, hopefully I can return that back to Thurin. I'm not going to install it. I mean, I'm sure it would help. That it's freaking way heavy duty, and I mean, I'm not even running 35s on the truck, so I don't see a point in putting it in there. And hopefully, if they let me return it, I can get the drag link. I don't know even if they have one, but maybe someone else has one, upgraded one. So right now we're just gonna go ahead, put the steering stabilizer on. We'll throw on the new wheels. I actually have to run somewhere, but so I might have to do that tomorrow or later tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, anyways, I ended up taking out this wheel well over here. Got that all tightened up. It's not as tight as it needed to be, so I'm glad I spent the time doing that. So if you're gonna put new shock absorbers up here in the front, I definitely would say take the couple minutes, get that out. I did break one of the push pins, so that sucks. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and put that steering stabilizer in, and I'll show you guys the new wheels and tires. I think earlier I forgot to say they are a 275/65/20, so they're just a little bit bigger than what I had. I hope they don't rub with the offset. So, we'll see, I guess. Alright guys, sorry I kind of put the camera down and just knocked it out and got all the wheels done, and then you just saw me put in the air intake, which if you guys haven't seen that video, this is my custom made air intake. I'll go ahead and link a video up here if you want to check that out if you haven't already. And here's the wheels all on there, a little dark, but they look much better than the grandpa look with the stock wheels. Although I was kind of digging that kind of stock sleeper look, even though we don't have that much horsepower to really call it a sleeper. But anyways, that's the 275/65/20s. Haven't tested them yet to see if they really rub, but I'm glad we got these back on. They look killer. I'm trying to get you on this side here. Driver's side. So I'm gonna end this video here. I actually got to get going here, and I'm sweating like crazy. In the next night or so, I got one other thing I'm gonna do. We're trying to get this all buttoned up so we can head over to the Weekend on the Edge event that's coming up this weekend, September 19th. So if you guys are there, I'll probably see you there. We're gonna run it run the truck on the dyno, see what it does. And also this week I got to get an alignment with these new tires and try and keep them lasting longer than the other ones we got like 2 years out of, and 70, 80,000, no, not 80. We're at 100,000, so I think I'll put them on at 40, so like 60,000. I think that's what they're rated for. And once again, like I said, I had the 275 60/20s, and I guess those are for like 1500s. I'm not sure if that's true. Maybe leave a comment down below if you are aware of that. But I trust them. I mean, those guys do tires every day. So these look good, like they're not going to rub or anything. And I'll let you guys know if they do for sure. Appreciate it if you guys stuck through the whole video. And remember, until next time, enjoy the ride.